Every single day, millions of cakes are produced inside automated factories like this.
This is not a small bakery. This is industrial-scale cake production.
This is not a small bakery. This is industrial-scale cake production.
Let's explore the complete cake-making process, step by step.
The process begins with raw materials, like flour, sugar, and cocoa.
All ingredients arrive in bulk quantities.
Each batch is checked before production begins.
Even eggs are processed automatically to maintain hygiene.
Liquids are transported through sealed pipelines.
Now comes the heart of cake production, mixing.
Now comes the heart of cake production, mixing. Ingredients are measured with extreme precision. Digital systems control speed, temperature, and time.
This creates a perfectly smooth cake batter.
Human inspection adds an extra layer of quality control.
The batter is transferred into cake molds.
Each mold receives the exact same amount.
This ensures uniform size and weight.
Workers ensure smooth machine operation.
Now the cakes are ready for baking.
The molds enter massive industrial ovens. Temperature is carefully controlled.
The batter rises into soft, fluffy cakes.
Perfectly baked every single time.
Fresh cakes must cool before decoration.
This prevents moisture buildup.
Next comes decoration and flavoring.
Both machines and humans work together.
Even toppings are applied automatically.
Now the cakes are ready for packaging.
Packaging protects freshness.
Production dates are printed automatically.
Even a small change can affect taste.
Final quality inspection takes place here.
Ready for distribution worldwide.
Stir upp den 10 och 2 mighted in Chuzo.
Millions of cakes leave this factory every day.
Behind automation, people still matter.
This is how modern food factories work.
From raw ingredients to delicious cakes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory processes.